Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is a Google Sheets tip. And if you are using Google Sheets for things like a gradebook or keeping other data, being able to rotate the text can really help you make the most of that real estate. And for teachers, we usually see gradebooks that have some tilted, rotated text at the top so that we can squeeze as many grades into that viewing window as possible so we can actually shift this column down just to see the numbers. So here's how you do it. Select the cell, and then you're going to come up here to the toolbar and see where it says text rotation. It's the A with the arrow, and you're going to select that tilt up. Okay, don't freak out. We're almost there. Here's the problem. We need to click and drag to bring this row down so you can see how it fits up there. So now you'll see it, and you can also come back up here and change the degree. So I typically like 60, and that kind of matches what I'm used to seeing in my gradebook. So it's really easy to do. Again, just select the cell or the cells. You can do them all at once. Actually, let's do both of these together. And we're going to tilt up. And then we're actually going to come back, hit that little arrow again, and change the degree to 60 so it matches the other one. And that's how you can tilt the text in Google Sheets. If you like this tip, please click that thumbs up and subscribe so that you get notified when new tips come out each week. Bye, y'all.